Hey there, Chris again with TenantCloud, and in this video, I am going to show you how to get your account verified. Let's get started. First, you need to know the importance and benefits of having your account verified. Verifying your identity, whether for your banking information or for listings, helps other users know it is safe to interact with you and send money. TenantCloud has gone the extra mile to protect all the users by allowing you to verify yourself. It only takes a one-time $1.99 fee and a few minutes to get fully verified. Please know that you can still use TenantCloud without verifying your account, but before you can set up TC payments powered by Dwolla or list properties on our partner sites, you will need to be verified first. To find the Trust and Verification section, click the Settings gear in the top right. From here, click on Trust and Verification. The first step is the ID verification. It is important to provide a clear picture of you holding your ID. If the picture is too blurry or the wording on your ID cannot be read, the verification will be declined. Don't worry too much if you get declined. You can send another picture to try again. Next is the credit card verification. Make sure your billing address matches the address associated with your card. Please note, this card will be charged a one-time verification fee of $1.99. That is $1.99. The third step is the phone verification. Your phone number will be displayed in the contact information section when listing your vacant units and will be shared with any connected tenants, owners, and service pros. You can change the phone number for the listing contact at any time. It is important to know that you must enter a cell phone or landline number only. No voice over IP phone numbers are allowed. The final step is to connect your social media to your TenantCloud account. Please note that this step is optional. If you do not wish to link your social media accounts to your TC account, you do not need to do so. Once you have completed all the necessary information, double check to make sure all the information is correct and your photo is visible. Click Request Verification. Once the request is received, it may take up to 48 hours to get fully verified.